All right, let's try this again. So we need to be more, I guess, specific whenever we talk about roof rejuvenation, because some people will get just stupendous results, and some people, we need to be able to explain to the homeowner that, look, because you have a 3-tab shingle and it's 18 years old, you're on the raggedy edge, right? So there's sections of roof that will be degranulated. So there's sections of roof the tabs will be more unsealed, and then there's going to be sections of roof where they'll be more sealed, right? So everything's an area of gray. I try not to overcomplicate things, but let's take a look, right? So we're talking about squares. We're talking about a 10 by 10 area, right? So in that 10 by 10 area right there, let's go take a look. Let's 10 by 10 area, right? So what do we, let's see. Oh, we got some tree damage shingles, but they're still working. We had to make some repairs up there. But let's take a look at how many shingles we have. Now, whenever I came up here the first time, I would say about, if I went and checked 10 random shingles here, all of them would be unsealed, right? So now let's go back and check 10 random shingles right here. So let's check this one. That one's sealed. Let's check this one. Sealed. Okay, let's go to a different area. How about this? This one. Sealed. Okay. Let's check this one. Oh, see what I'm saying? This part of the shingle is sealed, but this part of the shingle is sealed, but this part of the shingle is loose. So because of that, only half of the shingle is actually sealed. So whenever we say it encourages, it's going to encourage your shingles to seal. Whereas before, 10 out of 10 would have been unsealed and flapping in the wind. Now, I would say 1 out of 3. And then even including that, the 1 out of 3 was still not completely unsealed. So there is kind of an area of gray that we have to understand. The asphalt is not going to fall off as quickly. The tabs aren't going to be unsealed anymore, not completely unsealed. But, we are giving life to your roof. We're just, especially on the raggedy edge, you want to call us before that, because, we're able to only put so much back into the shingle. And this one, I would say at the end of 5 years, yeah, it's gonna be toast. Quite frankly, but that, we're shedding water like crazy, not getting any water penetration, and the roof is repairable. As you guys, the tabs aren't, creased going all the way up. Typically, you'd see creased shingles all the way up. And no crease shingles. Tabs are still flexible, and the asphalt is still holding on the roof. Anyway, y'all like and subscribe. My son told me to say that. Y'all like and subscribe. See y'all later.